Hello, guys. This is Gold Sniper here, and let's begin our analysis for 4th of July 2023. But before we begin our analysis of XAUUSD, let me play yesterday's clip, okay, of what I told, okay, so that and then we'll see what happened today actually. So this is my yesterday of the data that core inflation was below expectation. Gold, gave an up move. Okay, so what is our plan for tomorrow? So what is our plan for tomorrow? If you will see, uh, I will draw a Fibonacci extension, a Fibonacci retracement over here. So if you'll see from here onwards, the Fibonacci retracement levels is coming around 0.38 is coming around 1914, zero point 0.5 is coming around 1912, and 0.618, the golden number, is coming around 1909. So I'm expecting a retracement. What my plan is, if gold comes somewhere near 1915, I'll attempt a buy with a stop loss of 1910. If gold, let's say, comes near 1910 levels, then definitely I'll give a buy again. Okay, with a stop loss of roughly, you can, so with a stop loss of $5. So that will come around like 1905 will be my stop loss. Now, so I'll just write it down over here. What my analysis is, chart, you know, on daily. So if you see, guys, I told here that I will be attempting a buy at 1915 level. Okay, and if stop loss hits and price comes down, again I will attempt a buy at 1910 levels. Okay, and at each of these price, gold gave a very good up move. So let's see what happened today. Now on a daily basis, if you will see that the market has sort of reversed, okay, after forming this hammer sort of candle, market has given a reversal. Now we'll look at the hourly basis. So remember what I said yesterday, if gold comes near 1915 level, I'll attempt a buy. And during the Asian session, gold gave a very good up move after touching this 1915 level. Okay, this I will show you on an hourly basis. Okay, give me a second. Yeah. So I'll just draw the Fibonacci for you so you can understand. I drew it last time also. Just give me a second. Okay. So if you will see from here, the up move started. Okay. So here is the top. Okay. And this was, first of all, if you will see in the Asian session, when it came to 1915, immediately buying came and price went to 1920 in just a matter of 2 hours. Okay. This is a 50 pip move right over here. Okay. Then, when gold started coming down, this happened due to the dollar index rising suddenly. Okay, dollar index was rising like anything, and gold came to retest the 61.8, the golden ratio number. Okay, this golden number of 61.8 level. Okay, it retested that level, and then you see from there, gold went flying up like anything. Boom. Okay, and supported by data also. Okay, so both of our analysis that we gave worked. Okay, if this move, this right here, this is how many pips moved, do you know? Okay, if you had bought at 1911, price is around at 1930, so that is like almost a 20 pip, sorry, not 20 pip, that's a 200 pip move right there on gold. Okay, that's how good our analysis is. Okay, so now let's do an analysis. Let's see what we can do for tomorrow. Okay, so now for tomorrow, our critical level that I'll be tracking here is where this breakout happened. Okay, this breakout happened above this level 1920. So I'll mark this in blue. Okay, as long as we are above 1920, this up move should continue. Okay, and I'll just mark this as red now. This is the red. This is also red. Okay, red denotes the downside targets, green denotes the upside target. Okay, so now this gold gave such a huge move. So if we draw a Fibonacci from where gold gave an up move, if you will see. Okay, so the 38.2 level comes around 1923. Point 0.5 level comes around 1920, and 0.618 comes around 1918. So the best place, gold can, I'm expecting gold to give a pullback. Okay, this, if this trend is strong, gold can, somewhere around 1923, around 1924, 25, it can pull back and then bounce back if the trend is very strong. Okay, so somewhere around 1925 you can attempt a buy, but the best place to attempt a buy would be around 1920. The reason being, 1920 is from where gold gave a breakout. Okay, and 1920 is also a form of support now. Okay, so and here it will be a 0.5% retracement. So 19, somewhere around 1920 is the best place to buy. Okay, the first best place is around 1925, because that if the trend is strong, gold will blast off. But let's say gold hits our stop loss and comes down, then 1920 will be the second best place to buy. Okay, so the for this uptrend to continue. Okay, so what will be our targets for tomorrow? For that we'll take the Fibonacci extension. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, so we'll draw the Fibonacci extension. Okay, so I'm assuming if gold comes near 1925, okay, roughly. So, as per Fibonacci, our targets on the upside should be 1933, 1935, and 1937 levels. These are the levels on the upside. But if let's say gold, gives a correction till 1920, then our upside targets would be 1928, 1930, and 1933. These are the levels on the upside, okay, for this trend to continue. Now, one more thing I wanted to tell you is that, give me a second, I'll zoom out a little bit. Okay, the upside of this channel is somewhere right now coming around like 1940 to 1945. So be prepared to face a resistance over here. There is going to be a lot of selling pressure around this area. Okay, so but if gold somehow manages to break this channel and sustain outside, okay, again the bull run in the gold will resume. Okay, otherwise there is a chance selling can come from here, and again gold can come down to retest also. We'll have to see that, but just telling you about that. So that is our plan for tomorrow. Okay, we will attempt a buying at 1925 and 1920 level, somewhere around here. Okay, best place to buy gold will be 1920 levels. Okay, if gold comes down below it, then downward targets you can aim for like 1915. If 1915, you can attempt a target for like 1910. Okay, and so yeah, that's my analysis for gold for tomorrow. If you liked my analysis, if this is helping you to make money, do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again. But before that, sorry, this one more thing that is pending is, I'll be making a trading plan, okay, for you guys. Okay, just give me a second. Not this. Okay, so I'll just write in brief my what all. Just I will summarize. Okay, what I told you guys today. Okay, so the first point, like I said, okay, here, that is, gold is becoming bullish. Okay, and making higher lows. Okay, that is the first point. Okay, so we are waiting for pullback to enter the trade. Okay, we are waiting for the pullback to enter this trade. Okay, and third, we will attempt to buy gold at 1925 and 1920 levels with $5 stop loss each. Okay, for a target of at least 1 to 1. Okay, third part. Fourth part is, okay, I'll just put some space here. Okay, fourth is, resistance, major resistance of gold is around 1940 to 1945 levels. So have to be careful or reversals from this level. And on top of that, we need to see one more thing, that is the data. What data is coming tomorrow? So we'll just check that out also quickly. Yeah. So tomorrow there is the one second. So this was today. Yeah, tomorrow. So tomorrow there is the interest rate decision of Australia. Yeah, that's the only main decision which is coming. There is a, we can also say, the services PMI of Japan. There's the Caixin services PMI, that is the PMI data of China. And yeah, that's it. So those are the only critical data. And one more thing you need to keep in mind is that US markets will be closed tomorrow due to Independence Day holiday. So the markets most probably are going to be very slow. Targets are also going to come very slowly, not a very fast pace. Okay. That's it for today. Thank you and have a great day then. Okay.